welcome back. The sun's shining, huzzah. So I've just finished filming a tutorial for Young Bloom Flower School, and it is essentially a shower bouquet using a very, I think, quite clever armature. So I've made this out of clematis vines, wired it together, and it's just allowed me to create this sort of teardrop style bouquet using pretty much all garden flowers. The only flowers that I haven't grown myself are these Sarah Bernhardt peonies. But I just wanted to share this because I think there's always an element of me when I'm starting to film tutorials is I feel quite nervous, I feel quite apprehensive. Is it going to work? I have an idea in my head of what I want to share, you know, what I think other people in the industry who are starting out will find useful. But there's always a part of me that is apprehensive. You know, and I talk to people and they say, well, adrenaline is a good thing, you know, it keeps you motivated, keeps you going. And 9 times out of 10, you know, when I'm done and it works and it looks lovely and I feel happy with it, it's a good feeling. But I think there's always an element of stepping out, you know, stepping outside of your comfort zone, of trying something new. And I'm fascinated, you know, in terms of how people do that, how people learn. You know, because for me, I think the only way I learn is by experimenting. You know, is trying something, seeing if it works. If it doesn't, how can I adapt it? I'm not particularly a person who researches. You know, who looks. I look at more. I'm more pictorial, so I look at pictures and go, oh, that's nice. I can make that, or I can have a go at that. So I just wanted to share this latest design. If you are interested in the flower school, then go check out www.youngbloomsflowerschool.com, and this is the kind of thing that I'm showing. You know, this is my style. It's kind of informal. It's quite relaxed, and I'll just talk you through step by step, you know, how to make this bouquet. And it is all of my garden flowers, like I said, except for the peonies. So it's something that you could do if you have flowers at home in your garden. You know, all the foliage is from my garden. I've got some cotinus, I've got sage, there's lemon balm in there, and that's about it. That's all the foliage I've used. So I'd love you to join. I'd love you to become part of the gang. And yeah, like I say, if you're interested, go check out www.youngbloomsflowerschool.com, and I look forward to seeing you there.